I'm from the shipyard from Taiwan, so mostly I'm here to look at if there's something new equipment, and maybe meet some others in the industry. I think the trend is maybe quite obviously it's about sustainability, because all the species and some new equipments, and they have always talking about this topic. So how do we use this kind of equipment on our boats, or sometimes maybe our manufacturing process, how to fulfill the sustainability. I think this is quite hot topics right now. I think this is quite great because they give us some sources, including the speech and the opportunity to enter some events here. I think that's quite great.